Hi everyone, welcome back to Simple Step Tutorials. Today, I'll show you how to use Grammarly Online, one of the best free tools for improving your writing. First, go to Grammarly.com and create a free account. Once you're signed in, you'll see the dashboard where you can either upload a document, paste your text, or start typing directly into Grammarly. When you enter text, Grammarly will automatically check for spelling and grammar mistakes, underlining issues in red. You'll also see clarity suggestions in blue and grammatical errors in red, which help make your sentences easier to read. One great feature is tone detection. Grammarly can analyze your text and tell you if it sounds formal, friendly, or neutral, so you can match your writing style to your audience. Another useful tool is the plagiarism checker, available in the premium version. It scans your writing against billions of web pages to make sure your work is original. Grammarly also gives you a performance report that includes word count, readability score, and reading time. This is perfect for students, professionals, or content creators. Finally, don't forget you can install the Grammarly browser extension for Chrome or Edge. This allows Grammarly to check your writing in emails, Google Docs, or even social media posts. And that's it. With Grammarly, you can easily improve spelling, grammar, clarity, and overall writing style. Try it out and take your writing to the next level. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more step-by-step guides.